Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at a crane in the railroad range pack, and due to Christmas is coming up, you could probably get this on eBay or probably in your model shop, probably your local model shop, or if you can't get that, eBay, you could probably get this second hand. So what can I say is the product number for this, if you want to get this, is R6 365 breakdown pack, and that's the other bit. Then other languages, as you can see. So jug the camera. Let's get it out the box, and have a closer look at it. So lift that up. Got to get the camera focus. Here's the brake fan, guards fan, basic but nice metal wheels, as you can see, but no sprung buffers, afraid. So yeah, plastic moulding, everything. So you get that. The next one you get is this type of wagon. I can't pronounce that, so if you know what it means, leave your comments below. So you get that. It's just basic anyway, no spun buffers at all. Details there, and it's Hornby Railways, it looks like. It says, yep, Hornby Railways, made in China. Again, metal wheels, lovely. I love metal wheels, it's very good. And then finally, get the crane and the other bit. So before we have a look at the crane, you get also these two plugs. Right, we're back at this crane. Apologise, there's just been so much noise, so I had to stop the video and continue. The detail is basic. You can see it says keep clear, and then something else, as you can see if the camera wants to focus. There you go. And there's a warning for overhead wires. If you can see those knots there, this is what you do. You put one in there and then the other one in there, and then basically the crane has got two hooks. This one doesn't do anything, this one does, and that's what it says. So apologise, my hand in the way. So if I press that, you can probably tell the bit at the front of the crane is lowering down and then picking the back up, and then this one lifts up and then really lowers it. This is the back of the crane, as you can see. But this is the other side. Due to this in the railroad range, you don't get any stabilisation, so just warning you. So just quickly take those out for safety. Afraid you do get plastic wheels, not metal, but who cares about that anyway. So very lovely. So put that to the side, and then this is the base of what the crane sits on. Apologise for that piece of annoying white thing. I don't know what. As you can see, that's what the crane sits on, and that's the stripes. No sprung buffers, nothing. All the back. That's the underside detail, but just plastic wheels again. So yeah. So all I can say is, if you're going to buy this as a Christmas present for a child or anybody as their starter, all I can say is to do that. And it's good. All I can say is have a good Christmas and a Happy New Year from Darren Hickey, Hornby, GWR. The next video we'll be looking at another train pack, and we will see this running with it, so keep an eye on that. So all I can say is huge thank you to everyone, and I will see you in the new year. Thank you. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.